Okay, now I've been hearing people say that it's actually your rising sign that's going to make you the best you've ever looked. What's my rising sign, you ask? I am a Cancer rising. Physical traits of a Cancer rising, it's very soft, dewy skin. They say that you can see the emotions of a Cancer rising through their eyes. Very glowy, dreamy. So we're gonna test this theory because I thought that my star sign makeup, which is Aries, was very spot on. Whenever I think of glowy skin, I immediately think to use my Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. This has the perfect amount of coverage in it for the look that we're going for. For contour, I'm using the Rare Beauty liquid one, and this is shade Mellow. The formula of this is perfect for this look. It's definitely more on the sheer side. I want like a softer bronzy type contour. I get so excited to do looks like these specifically for the blush. I'm gonna use two different ones. The first one, I'm gonna start with Road Piggy. Our base is going to be a soft baby pink. Then I'm gonna go in with a more vibrant pink. This is Rare Beauty Happy. And just blend those together to get the perfect pink. As I'm blending, I'm gonna take that underneath the eye here. Your eyes, I want them to be bright and smooth, so I'm starting with the Kosas Pink Color Corrector, and then the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I'm just gonna merge these two together, and it's gonna give us a really flawless, bright under eye. Today, on the theme of pink, I'm using the Givenchy Prism Leap Powder. I don't want my whole face to be pink, so I'm gonna switch and use my Charlotte Tilbury powder for the rest. Just filling in my brows with the NYX Brow Definer. The pink shade in this Dior Face Glow palette is like the best blush topper. So I'm just adding some of that. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Setting Spray. This is the Pat McGrath Iconic Infatuation Palette, starting with shade Bare Venus. I'm just going to pack on a really light eyeshadow in the inner corner here. Just gives a softer version of a cut crease. I'm taking this eye shimmer from the Charlotte Tilbury palette and packing that on the inner corners. Then to make it monochromatic, I'm going back to that Dior shade, and that's going in the center. Just creating a cat eye with this Revlon liquid liner. Just curl the lashes, now adding the Prada Scope mascara. I just threw on some lashes that were laying around and they were unlabeled, so I'll try to figure out which ones those were. I'm going in with the Tarte Fake Awake liner, putting this in my lash line. I'm gonna do Patrick Ta's method and do a little bit of blush over the powder. Back to Piggy from Rhode. I'm just gonna tap this along the cheeks. I almost forgot to add a few faux freckles. This is from Tarte. Now just using this Armani Aqua highlighter. This is like a very icy highlight. I'm gonna put that down my nose, so on the cheeks. Lips are gonna be pouty but simple, so I'm using Iconic Nude by Charlotte. I wanna try something and take this Dior pink and put this in the center of the lips. Now on the top, we're using Refresh Rose from Charlotte. What do we think? Does my Cancer rising suit me more than my star sign Aries? Let me know.